Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2015 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with only 7,256 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with aftermarket wheels, Vance & Hines slip-on mufflers, front axle caps, aftermarket mirrors, an air cleaner insert, timing cover, transmission cover, derby cover, passenger footboard covers, a backrest, luggage rack, and bumper. From Harley, it comes equipped with cruise control and reverse gear. Powered by Harley's time-tested 103 cubic inch-feet twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Freewheeler puts out a respectable 105 foot-pounds of flow-on torque. It would be an excellent option for a rider looking for the thrills and experience of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. It weighs in at 1,082 pounds and has a seat height of 26.9 inches. This vehicle has received our premium service and detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.